Inspired by the street food hawkers of Singapore, this Southeast Asian flavored slaw features smoked ham, cilantro, shredded cabbage, black sesame seeds, and tangy mango. We'll start by making the dressing. In a small bowl, combine ginger, garlic, vinegar, soy sauce, lime juice, mirin, and sesame oil. Set this aside as we prepare our salad ingredients. In a large bowl, combine the cabbage, the red bell pepper, the serrano chili, carrot, and scallions, and toss to combine. Add enough dressing to coat, and allow the salad to sit for 10 minutes for flavors to marry. In the meanwhile, we'll prepare our ham. Heat a large skillet over medium heat. Add the olive oil and diced ham, and saute until nicely browned on all sides. Remove the ham to a paper towel-lined sheet pan and cool. To serve, add the ham, cilantro, peanuts, sesame seeds, and diced mango, and toss again. Serve garnished with more cilantro and sesame seeds. So there you have it, our Singapore-style slaw with smoked ham, cilantro, shredded cabbage, black sesame seeds, and tangy mango. Find this recipe and many more at ciaprochef.com/ham.